Welcome back, everyone. Scott here, and we're, of course, continuing our next update on this series in our ceramic spray coatings test. And, of course, as usual, I like to recap the previous month's weather. And, of course, this video is showing you a very rare sight for Texas, the white stuff. We got about 4 inches or 10 centimeters of it, and it was heavy and wet. So, anyway, the last 30 days, the average temperature was 47 degrees or 8.5 Celsius, high of 72, 22 degrees, and a low of 23 or -5 with 4.5 inches of precipitation or 11.5 centimeters. So if you're new to this channel and haven't followed these tests, I've been doing tests like these for the past 6 years now. This panel sits outside 24 hours a day, 7 days a week behind our shop here in East Texas, exposed to the elements, and we'll of course wash it and inspect it on a monthly basis until the last one fails. I do have other tests running, so please check those out by clicking on my channel and clicking on the other videos or my other playlists that I have running for those. So without further ado, let's do further. This is the 5-month update for this. And, to be honest, a lot of these have outlasted my expectations. I didn't think this test would go 5-6 months. And so here we are. The Turtle Wax ceramic wet wax and Turtle Wax ceramic coat are both looking pretty weak. And let's see, Glossit Bodyguard looking pretty good. Their ceramic detail spray failed early on, around 60 days, which again, that's not bad for a detail spray. So I will leave a Google Docs spreadsheet in the video description, as well as all of the products that you see here. You can purchase them through my Amazon Associates links in the video description. It will help the channel out. 100% of the money that I get from this channel through sources such as Amazon, Google Ad Revenue, Patreon, goes right back into purchasing more products. Not sponsored, on purpose, no bias. That way it's fair for you guys and you get to see how things really hold up. CarPro Reload. That was one that had failed on the early side. Reload's an older product. I'd say if not one of the early ones, especially compared to others on this panel. IGL Premier, of course, the most expensive, but it's also performing very well. Very hydrophobic. So if I had to choose two right now, Glossit and IGL Premier are both doing really well, but the Adams, I believe, is doing equally as well, the 9H graphene spray there. So what do you think, guys? Any surprises? I'm still kind of blown away that the number of these products that are still holding up at the 5-month mark. This is quite surprising to me. You think any of them will make it a year? So there you go. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And of course, smash that bell icon so you get notifications anytime I have a new update. Posting over 15 updates or 15 different videos for this month. So there's going to be a lot of uploads for you guys. Lots of content and some cool stuff planned. And of course, we have our glass ceramic coatings test that I'm in the process of working on. I don't think it'll be ready this month. Probably going to be for a March upload. Anyway, there you have it. Please stay tuned, and we will see you soon.